What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Liyah Millionaire. I hope you guys are good, staying safe. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys what I eat in a day. It's a beautiful day. It's literally 7 a.m. in the morning and my whole family is still asleep, and I thought, let me show these guys what I usually eat in a day. So I'm gonna start with my breakfast right now and show you what I would usually eat in the morning. So if you want to see the whole video, don't go anywhere, stay tuned and watch until the end. So I'm gonna make something very easy. To be honest, nowadays I don't usually eat breakfast. Like, I'm no longer a breakfast person. I've been trying to delay my meals. It's not like a strict intermittent fasting, but I will either eat at 10, 11 or 12. I'll have my first meal, and for the last couple of days I've been having my first meal at 12, and then my second meal around 3, and then my last meal around 6 or 7 o'clock, and it's been working for me. But for the purposes of this video, breakfast, lunch and supper, I'm going to show you what I would eat if I was to have breakfast, which I can still have. I'm not that strict on my window. So I'm gonna make a quick smoothie, some banana, strawberries, some oats, a little bit of water. So let me get the ingredients and show you guys how I do it. So that's it, you guys. As easy as ABC: banana, strawberry, oats and some water. So this is what I would eat in the morning if I was going to the gym. Let's give this a taste. Yummy. So I'll see you guys around lunchtime and you'll see what I have prepped up. I think I'm gonna make either some wraps or some chicken breast and salad. So see you around lunchtime. Enjoy your breakfast. What's up, you guys? It's lunchtime. So as promised, I'm making some wraps with some sausage and a couple of ingredients that I'm going to show you guys. So this is what I would usually eat at lunchtime. I ended up eating that smoothie and finishing all of it. But I was not hungry throughout the morning. I had a lot of water. I kept hydrated, so I'm all good and I'm ready to have my lunch. So here goes. Okay, you guys, I'm done. Shoo! That feels like an exercise and a half. I promise you, it's not always as hectic. I don't know why the wrap was not allowing the toothpick to do its thing, you know what I'm saying? Lord Jesus, but anyway. Oh, let me give this a bite. So this is what I would usually have at lunchtime with my hubby because we love wraps and your girl likes making them for the whole family. So I will see you later with dinner. So tonight what I'm making is easy. Your protein, your vegetable, and your carbohydrate. We have some white basmati rice, some chicken breast, and broccoli with cheese. Okay, so this is something that I like to do, very easy, very fast. I've already cooked my rice in my rice cooker. Ladies, if you don't have a rice cooker, how are you living? Please, 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 if you don't have a rice cooker, invest in one. It's so easy. So the cool thing about having a rice cooker is that you don't have to wait for a long time while cooking the rice. You can do other things while it does its own thing. Just put it in there, put some water, put it on cook. When it's done, it will go to warm. It keeps your rice fresh and warm while you're cooking your other stuff. Anywho, so this is what we're doing right here. I have some garlic. I've already chopped up my mushroom and my red onion that I was using from earlier. I've got fresh cream because I'm gonna make a little sauce for the meat so that it's not very dry. I've already mixed up my spices and bang! We've got our broccoli, which I'm gonna boil very quickly with little water because it was already frozen. And that's it. So guys, tell me what you guys usually eat in a day or what you've been eating during lockdown. Okay, I'm not always this healthy, I must confess, or even this organized. Sometimes when I don't want to cook, it's everybody for themselves except the father of the house. He also has those days for everybody for himself. Guys, this is so good. It's from Discam and it just has an icing. So what you want to do is put a little bit of olive oil onto the pan. Just use your eye. I never really measure. Then you're gonna put in your mushrooms and your onion. You let the onion and the mushrooms cook on their own. Guys, can we stop eating ourselves silly during the lockdown? I mean, how y'all doing this? I have lost my gym routine, consistency. It's a mess, but we need to get our act together, people. Stop eating too much. Except the lady who's cooking. So we're gonna take our garlic. Guys, I wish you could smell the aroma the garlic is making in my kitchen. I mean, garlic just makes everything better, don't you think? Comment in the section below if you agree that garlic makes food better. So the food is all done and I'm pretty excited. Ta-da! Honey, I know I love my dish. I love my food. What do you think of the supper tonight?
It's looking good.
Is it?
It's looking very, very good.
Are you being honest?
I'm being honest.
Okay. Dig in. Tell the people. Tell the people.
All right.
The people want to know.
All right.
He be struggling with the fucking knife. It's been a while. Try the chicken. Nice and juicy, eh?
Wow. Honey.
Tell them.
This is delicious.
Who the best wife?
You is.
Who the best cook?
You is.
Who the best everything
You
to you?
is.
I is. Okay. Okay. Those are my 3 meals of the day. If you like this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up and don't you forget to hit that subscribe button and remember to hit the bell to get notifications every time I post a new video. Please tell me in the comment section below which recipes you're trying, what you're eating on a daily basis. And oh, by the way, which meal did you like? Did you like the breakfast, lunch, or the supper? Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay under the blood. Mwah. Have a good night.